Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider and welcome to Michael Manley Boulevard here in Kingston. In this video, we will be exploring Manley Meadows. As you may know, Michael Manley is a former Prime Minister and son of a national hero of Jamaica, Norman Manley. I hope you will enjoy this video. And if you haven't done so as yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell. We upload videos like these every single day. Videos on Jamaican attractions, Jamaican streets, Jamaican real estate, even all things positive about Jamaica. So definitely subscribe if you're interested in that. Now let's enjoy the video. Welcome to Manley Meadows. Now we're on Ocean Link and we are just about to turn onto Manley Way. Palm close on the right. Manatee close on the left. Holland close on the left. Half Moon Circle on the right. Galleon close on the left. Galena close on the right. Fisher close on the right. Columbus Circle on the right. Castle close on the right. Coastal Way on the left. Roselle Close. Pedro Close, turning right onto Pedro Close. All right, and this is where I'm going to end it for today. I do hope you enjoy this video here, a very short one of Manley Meadows here in Kingston. Let me know your views of it. Would you live in Manley Meadows? Are you surprised by the houses here? Let me know in the comment section below. Leave us a like if you've enjoyed it, and if you didn't like it, you can thumbs down as well. And please stay tuned, we have another 2 videos coming up. All right, so stick and stay. Thank you.